SwanakeyTV. I'm back in the video with another video. As you can already tell, I'm about to do something different. I'm in a different environment. I'm in the bathroom because I'm finna do my eyebrows. Duh. They're looking crusty, they're looking busted, and we about to get these fixed. Period. But stay tuned so I can show y'all how I do my brows. And I'm not a professional, so don't come for me in the comments. Okay? Okay? Okay. Let's get right into the video. Okay, y'all, so y'all can tell my brows are real thick. I'm gonna be using the Stiles Archer to arch my brows because I don't do wax. And I also use this kind because it's easier to fit in tight places. And it also comes in a pack. So this is for the people that arch their brows. I just use lotion to lay down my hairs. I'm going in now with the spoolie to just brush all my hairs down so they can lay the way I want them to lay before I start arching them. So yeah, y'all, I just started in the middle because I have a unibrow, and I just got me some tissue so I can wipe off the hairs that was on the razor. But yeah, just lightly stroke. So yeah, next I'm just going to go under my brow and clean up everything. And y'all, please, please, please take y'all time with this because you do not want to walk around here with messed up brows. So this is a tip. You can hold your eyebrow up so you can anchor it down so the razor can get where it needs to get. As you can tell, I'm doing the top. I'm just lining everything up. I just like for everything to be neat. I left this in real time because slow and steady wins the race, y'all. Be very careful. I'm just lining everything up. So I'm just hitting these spots again, y'all. Again, take your time. I'm taking my time because I don't want to be looking crazy. Okay, so y'all, I'm done with that brow. Now it's on to the next. So yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna speed this up because it's the same as the other brow. Just take your time. So I'm just wiping the excess lotion off because we done with arching unless you feel like you need to go back and hit a couple spots like I did. Okay, to fill in my brows, I'm just going to be using a brow Wowie in LA color. I got this from Walmart. Everything will be in the description box down below. I'm also using this Kiss eyebrow kit in the color dark brown. I put a picture because mine is busted. And I'm also using this Elf eyebrow kit in the color dark brown. I'm not using it in this video, but I was just showing y'all other things you can use for your brows. Right here, I'm just using the angle brush and Real Techniques, but you don't have to have Real Techniques. Just get an angle brush, anything you can find. Okay, so first I'm going to be using the wax right here with the red dot, and then I'm going to go in with the brown. You'll see it right here with the red dot. Mix both of those together and then apply to the brow. So lightly stroke it, y'all. You just using a light wrist. That's it. You just flicking your wrist. I'm going in an upward motion right here because I'm trying to create like hair-like strokes. So right here, I'm just gonna blend this out with the Brow Wowie spoolie. Just blend, 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 because you don't want your eyebrows too dark. So once again, I'm just gonna go in upward motions and hair-like strokes to get the desired look that I want. And you can also use that kiss. It doesn't matter. I was just showing you the multiple ways that you can do your brows. When you're shading in, always go back and try to blend it in with the spoolie so it won't be too harsh. Okay, so this is other brow. I'm gonna just speed it up because y'all don't watch this whole process. So enjoy. So right here, I did go back in with the kiss and I filled it in to match my other brow. So you'll see me doing that, just filling it in. Now look at that brow, y'all. It is on fleek. Y'all can tell the difference in between one brow and the other. So I'm about to go in and clean this up with some concealer and dark tan. So this is what I use the e.l.f. kit for, basically for my concealer and a mirror. So yeah, you can use that brush on the concealer, but you have to have a very, very steady hand. And you will see I'll just go in with my flat brush and put some concealer on it and conceal my brows. When you're concealing your brows, just lightly stroke it, y'all. That's it. Just a light flick of the wrist. Right here, I'm just bringing down the concealer so I can blend it out later on so it can look seamless. So yeah, that is that brow right there without being blended. And I'm gonna just go ahead and start on the other brow and I'm gonna speed it up for y'all. Okay, so y'all see where that brow coming in too much? I'm gonna go ahead and fix that because that's a no. So I'm gonna just wipe it off, y'all. That's all it is. It's just a wipe. So I just went in, y'all, with the kiss because I feel like my brows weren't even. But y'all, your brows are sisters. They're not going to always be identical twins. Y'all, I'm just going above my eyebrow, concealing it in the dark tan concealer. But if you have a foundation in your skin color, then go ahead and use that. When you're concealing your brows, make sure that you're not going into your brow. If you do, you're just going to have to go back in and shade it back in some more. So just be careful on this part. Just take your time. Okay, you guys, I'm just using the same method as I did on the bottom. I'm just going to conceal on the top. I'm going to just brush that concealer upward. And like I said, if you have foundation, just use the foundation on the top of your brow. It will be much easier to blend out than using a concealer. But if you want to use the concealer, you can. You just have to make sure that you blend, because you do not want that halo look effect. Okay, y'all, so I'm just blending with my finger. You can blend with a brush, but I just blended in with my finger because I just find it easier and you can get it more precisely in that way. Okay, y'all, so to get rid of that harsh line, I just use the spoolie on my brow Wowie and I just blend it out, y'all. Just stroking it, just blending it out. And I'm gonna do that the same way on the other side. I'm just going back in with that kiss, just add my color back because I felt like I lost it, y'all. It's all about trial and error with your eyebrows. Just practice. I naturally have thick eyebrows, so basically I just enhance what I already had. So this is a close-up of my brows, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time when I make a video.